Welcome to Kickstart's software development program, your pathway to mastering the art of creating innovative software solutions. Let's explore the exciting journey that awaits you. Introduction to Linux. Learn the basics of the open source operating system, its commands, file management, and fundamental system operations. Introduction to Python. Learn the basics of Python programming, including syntax, data types, control structures, and simple scripting for automation. Database design involves creating a structured database, defining relationships, ensuring data integrity, and optimizing performance through ER diagrams and normalization. Java programming involves creating applications using the Java language, known for its portability, object-oriented features, and wide use in enterprise solutions. Searching algorithms find specific elements within data structures, using methods like linear search, binary search, and hashing for efficient retrieval. Data structure algorithms organize and manipulate data efficiently, using structures like arrays, linked lists, trees, and graphs to optimize performance. Backend specialization focuses on server-side development, handling databases, server logic, APIs, and ensuring efficient data exchange and security. Full-stack specialization equips individuals with skills for both front-end, client-side, and back-end, server-side development, covering entire web application development. Cloud computing DevOps integrates cloud services with development operations, enabling efficient deployment, scalability, and management of software applications. Data science utilizes algorithms, statistics, and domain knowledge to extract insights and knowledge from structured and unstructured data for decision-making. Cybersecurity safeguards digital systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, breaches, and malicious activities, ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Job opportunities as a software developer creating applications, Java developers specializing in Java, full-stack engineers managing both front-end and back-end, and system analysts designing efficient IT systems. Join Kickstart's software development program today and take the first step towards a successful tech career. Visit our website at www.kickstart.co.in to learn more and enroll now.